Hello, this is a very special unboxing and it's a biggie, but this was actually the very first order to go through on the new platform. I made sure that I jumped on first to get this little item that I've been eyeing up for quite some time. Oh, look, inside the box there's polka dots. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, it's so big, it's so big. It's like Christmas. It's like Christmas. Oh my goodness. Oh, now there is a beautiful, lovely personal note in there. This might be a little bit of a giveaway about what it is, but I'll keep that one for later. Oh, it's more beautiful than I thought. Oh my goodness. Have a look at this incredible beauty. She's absolutely massive, and this incredible macrame wall hanging is made by Michelle and available on the Madeit platform, but comes like that. But I have got the perfect spot in my bedroom to put that, but the work and attention and detail that has gone into all of this. And we've also created a collection of macrame wall hangings so that you can find them, but that is absolutely stunning. Ah!